guys! Hope you are great. Today I am going to show you how I make my sausages. First, I will put water in my cooking pot and let it boil. Then we'll start adding the sausages. And we'll let them cook for about 5 minutes. I am using my hands. They are clean, but alternatively, you can use tongs. We'll turn a bit so that they can cook uniformly. They are ready. We'll remove them and drain the water. I will add cooking oil in my cooking pot and let it heat. It's ready. We'll add the sausages and let them cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Then they will be ready. Turn a bit. We'll turn again. You can see it's cooking so well. By the way, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, it's called Nasik's Kitchen. Kindly do, it's really appreciate. Remember to like, comment, and share for more content. They are ready. We'll remove them and set them aside. Here they are. Don't they look amazing? You should try out and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching.